So what I've got to do today is I've got to do a fill repair on this vintage swing arm. The client had to remove some bushes, they were properly in there, and he got a bit, I don't know, heavy-handed with the hammer. So the plan is to take some of the high points out of this and then lay some silicon bronze fill over it. So we could do the same job with a filler, a composite filler like JB Weld or something like that, but the client doesn't want anything like that on it. He specifically asked me to Tig braze it or braze it. So whatever the customer wants, I suppose, isn't it? Anyway, I'll get this cleaned up and we'll crack on. So we've got that cleaned up. I've used a cut wheel. I don't particularly want to be grinding it. Right, let's get some brazing done. Right, so the plan is not to melt this base material. All we want to do is melt the silicon bronze rod. So I've got the TIG welder set up with a foot pedal, maximum amps at 70. I'm hoping I won't need to use that much. And we're just going to build up a ring around there. Like that. So, once we've got that in place, we're going to start to build up and add material. The whole point of this job is not to get too much heat into this, get it all into this. Effectively we're using it as a filler. So now that I've got the perimeter up, I can start laying it in where it needs to be. Right, so now that we've got the whole area filled, it's just time to grind it back and get it back to shape. So there you go. That's the finished job. It's been sanded. It should be all right now for powder coat. We'll let them decide though. So that was a little job for silicon bronze. I've never actually done that before. It seemed to turn out all right. Anyway, client will be happy, I'm sure. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll catch you on the next one.